How to Grow Papaya Complete Guide from Seed to Harvest. Welcome to the Farming Engineer. This channel is all about farming, agriculture techniques, and everything you need to grow your own food successfully. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer, my goal is to share practical, easy to follow farming knowledge that helps you maximize your yield. Today, let's dive into papaya farming, a fast-growing fruit that's packed with nutrition and easy to cultivate. Stay tuned till the end, as I'll cover everything from seed selection to harvesting. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right variety. Selecting the right papaya variety is the first step to a successful harvest. There are many types, but these are the best for home gardens and commercial farms. Number 1. Red Lady 786, a high-yield hybrid with sweet fruit and strong disease resistance. Number 2. Pusa Dwarf, ideal for small spaces with medium-sized fruit. Number 3. Taiwan 786 produces large, juicy papayas, perfect for large-scale farming. Number 4. 15 Number Papaya, a new variety, a high-yield hybrid with sweet fruit. Hybrid varieties grow faster and produce more fruit than local varieties. Choose seeds based on your land, climate, and production goals. Step 2. Climate and soil preparation. Papaya thrives in warm, tropical climates with temperatures between 21 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius. It needs 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily for healthy growth. For soil, 1. Well-drained sandy loam soil is best. 2. The pH level should be between 6 and 6.5. 3. Mix organic compost, vermicompost, and cocopia to improve soil fertility. 4. Avoid waterlogging, as excess moisture causes root rot. Preparing your soil properly ensures strong root development and higher fruit production. Step 3. Seed germination and plantation. Papaya can be grown from seeds, but germination must be done correctly for the best results. 1. Collect seeds from a fully ripe papaya or buy hybrid seeds for better yield. 2. Wash the seeds and remove the gel-like coating to improve germination. 3. Dry them for 24 hours before planting. 4. Soak in water for 24 to 48 hours to speed up sprouting. 5. Sow in seed trays or directly in soil, maintaining proper moisture. Seeds usually sprout within 1 to 2 weeks, depending on temperature and moisture levels. Step 4. Transplanting and spacing. After 30 to 45 days, when seedlings reach 20 to 30 centimeters in height, they're ready for transplanting. 1. Dig 30 centimeters x 30 centimeters x 30 centimeters pits and fill them with organic manure and topsoil. 2. Maintain 2.5-3 feet spacing between plants for proper airflow. 3. Water immediately after transplanting to reduce stress. 4. Provide mulching around the base to retain soil moisture and prevent weeds. Step 5. Watering and fertilization. Watering papaya plants correctly is crucial for good growth. Water every 2 to 3 days in summer and reduce during the rainy season. Drip irrigation works best for large farms. For fertilizers, Step 1. Use organic compost or cow dung every 15 to 20 days. Step 2. Apply NPK, 10 hours 26 minutes and 26 seconds, fertilizer for strong roots and early flowering. Step 3. Spraying magnesium and zinc prevents yellow leaves and boosts fruit development. Step 6. Pest and disease control. Papaya plants are vulnerable to pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for aphids and mealybugs. Use neem oil spray every 7 days. For leaf curl virus, remove infected leaves immediately. For fungal infections, spray Bordeaux mixture or copper fungicides regularly. Organic pest control methods keep your plants healthy without chemicals. Step 7. Flowering and harvesting. Papaya plants start flowering within 4 to 6 months. It's important to identify flower types, Male flowers small and grow in clusters. Cherry blossom female flowers larger and appear alone, turning into fruit. Fruits mature in 6 to 9 months. When the skin turns yellow-green, they're ready to harvest. Step 1. Use a sharp knife to cut fruits carefully. Step 2. Store at room temperature for natural ripening. Final tips for commercial papaya farming. Follow these best practices to maximize yield and profits. Step 1. Plant at the right time. The best season is February to March or June to July for high survival rates. That's all for today's guide on commercial papaya farming. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to The Farming Engineer. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Happy farming and successful harvesting.